YouTube. How you guys doing today? It is CJ Trades, and I'm back with a breakdown using my TradeZilla. This is going to help any new traders identify A+ rated setups as well as follow protocol. So today I'm going to be showing you what is called the power of 3 displacement logic. And in this, I'm going to be showing you the shifts from the macro into the micro. All right. So as you can see right here, this is a back-tested trade. I've been back-testing for a little bit now. You can see right here, down here, you have the profits, the account size. This is to mimic prop firm accounts. So this is a video for prop firm traders. Ideally, if you're using these smaller accounts like the 50Ks and the 100Ks, this video is specific for you and it's going to help you out. All right, so I'm going to break down this. I'm going to read it, and I want you guys to pay attention here. I have some pictures here also to show you how to execute it on the 1 hour time frame right here, and also the 5 minute, what it looks like on the 5 minute time frame. Okay, so basically category of higher time frame biased. So it says identified. It says what I did here is I identified the sell side liquidity grab, right? Sell side liquidity grab, and the bearish structure shift. Bearish structure shift. So I retested the shift, continued downwards. All right. This sets a clear directional bias, right? So there's no chopping around. Like this is all chop, right? There's no direction here. This is clear directional bias. Price came down here, retested up here into this market structure, continue moving down, right? Came retest again, filled this little gap here, retested down again. So premium zone entry. What I did was I waited for a retracement, right? So I waited for a retracement to premium after displacement. So it went back into premium, price went back into premium, and then displaced down again. This is the displacement candle right here. This really large push down, that's called displacement. And this maximized my RR, my risk to reward. Volume confirmation. So I entered at a high volume area of rejection. You can see right here, this is all high volume area of rejection. A lot of sell volume right here. Tons of sell volume. So then now when I entered here, it confirms to me that we're going to keep moving down. This confirms institutional activity, right? And then we go into the lower time frame right here. On the 5 minute, this was a sniper's entry, quote unquote, and it was a tight risk control. So as you can see right here, my risk is very, very tight, about 10 points, and I wanted to make 23. So this is a 2R trade, very good R, and it helps me continue on making profits. Trade management, I held to target, I didn't panic. That shows emotional discipline. The system of confluence, I combined the VWAP. This here is the VWAP with power of 3. The power of 3 is right here. I have it for the hourly power of 3. I have 2 hours of power of 3 data, and then liquidity, right? So where's the liquidity at? You see this is a liquidity grab right up here. Right after I saw this displacement downwards, I entered, continues moving down, full TP, filling this gap down here. So this is a A+ graded execution. If I were to find this on another trade following these exact protocols, I would take this trade 10 out of 10 times with this same amount of risk. And I believe that this is going to help any trader who actually executes this properly. So make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe, because videos like this is what's going to take you from making $1,000 in a month to $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 payouts, right? And that's really where you're looking to get to. TradeZilla is an amazing platform to use. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link down below for TradeZilla. If you have the cash for it, I'm telling you, just get a year subscription for it. That way you're not worrying about it every month. Because this is what separates the traders who are consistently profitable versus the ones who are just profitable for a season, right? Or for a quarter. So the purpose of TradeZilla is one, unlimited back testing. Two, you get the grades. You get to grade yourself, right? You also get the details here. You can see I'm $5,000 in profit. This would have been on the week, right? This is Thursday. So if you're on, let's say, Top Step, for example, shout out to Top Step. If you're on Top Step, $5,000 end of week profit, you're able to withdraw $2,500 of capital in a week. Most people don't make that in a month. So this just goes to show when you use back tested data to execute in the live markets, when your confidence is a lot higher because you have the data to support your confidence. Like I said, guys, leave a like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. Shout out to TradeZilla for allowing me to make this content and allowing me to provide this to you guys. And yeah, you see right here, it also shows you the speeches. So this was a high news volume day, very high news volume. This is something you should pay attention to as well. And then the journal. The journal is where everything is kind of comes together. I don't think without this journal I would be able to confidently trade because I get to review all my notes, right? So this is also a little bit of a bonus. If you guys are still within this video, you guys are still watching, I'm gonna give you guys a bonus. This is another A plus setup, or what is actually a setup. So it's a clear liquidity grab, defined inefficiency right here, structural break confirmed, volume support, the volume supports that this is going down, as well as logical based liquidity targeting. So where's liquidity at? Obviously liquidity was down here. That's what we're targeting. I cut it a little short here, but this is the checklist that I would follow if I were you. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, guys. I love you guys. Peace.